Hi, I'm Terrence Zellman, and in today's video, we're going to show you how we went from this to this. All right, let's go. The first step is to mechanically prep the existing concrete. This preps the surface by loosening the pitted top layer and ensures a surface that is ready for the next stages. The next step is to densify the concrete. A high-performing water-based lithium densifier penetrates the concrete and creates an insoluble crystalline structure from within. This structure fills in the pores and capillaries of the concrete. This newly created structure increases density and abrasion resistance, furthermore strengthening the concrete by up to 50%. This product penetrates the substrate and becomes integral with concrete. The third step is the staining step. We will be using a water-based stain formulated with ready-mix color technology. This is a safe alternative to traditional acid stains and contains no hazardous components while producing a mottled look like acid stains. Lastly, the sealing step. We will be using our solvent-based acrylic sealer. This formula was designed with a high sheen appearance. This product is a unique coating that will protect your concrete surface while adding a decorative touch.